Jane at Coborn's. Welcome to my kitchen. I am sure that most of you are already starting to plan your Easter meal with that favorite ham. But today I want to share with you some side dishes that I'm actually going to serve at my Easter meal. And the first one that we're going to start off with is roasted carrots. I love fresh whole carrots, but one of the things you've got to do is you got to make sure that you're cutting off those root tips. So I did most of these. I just got to do a couple more and finish those off. Now the greenery up here, I'm going to cut off, about right to there, about an inch. I'm going to cut these all off. Now this is a side dish that even the Easter Bunny is going to approve. Okay, now my next step is I'm going to drizzle some olive oil over the carrots. There we go. And then I'm going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning over the top of them. And then we're going to put some salt on. Some fresh pepper. And then I chopped up some fresh garlic cloves. And I'm just going to sprinkle a few on the top here. And then I'm going to take my tongs and I'm just going to roll the carrots around so that they get the olive oil on there and then they get the seasoning all mixed throughout each one of these carrots. Now I'm going to place my carrots in an oven at 375 degrees and I'm going to cook them between 30-40 minutes. But if you've got thicker carrots, bigger carrots, you're probably going to have to cook them a little bit longer. But we're going to roast them, and by roasting them, they're going to be a sweeter carrot and they're going to have more flavor to it. So I'm going to pop them in the oven right now. Okay, now I want to show you my next side dish that I'm going to be serving at my Easter dinner. What I did is I've already cooked my pasta, which is a penne pasta, and towards the end of cooking it, I added my fresh asparagus. Now, my next step is to make the dressing for it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some Greek yogurt. I'm going to add freshly squeezed lemon. I chopped up some minced fresh garlic. And I'm going to add some olive oil to it. I'm going to add some honey to it. Okay. Then I'm going to add some lemon pepper to it. And I did some zest from a lemon that I'll add to this also. And last but not least, I'm going to add some sea salt. And I'll just mix those up together. And now I'm going to add it to my pasta and just mix it together. Okay, now I want to add a little bit more flavor to it and a little color. So I'm going to add just a little bit of onions, and then I'm going to add my cherry tomatoes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator, and I would chill it for at least 2 hours, but you certainly can chill it overnight. Next, I'm going to check on those carrots. Okay, I have my salad completed. I just took the carrots out of the oven and they are a perfect blend of sweet and savory, and they are going to go so good with that ham dinner. Now, I want to just suggest to you a bottle of wine. We have the Story family wine, and it is a Pinot Noir, and it is just perfect. Have a happy Easter.